How to get items on Temu without inviting your friends. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up your application, then click on this option of view. After that you need to scroll down and over here you will find this option of earn credits and free gifts. In case if you don't see this option, just simply go to settings and after that click on country and region, and over here you need to select US or United States as your country. After that just restart this application. After that you will be able to find this option of earn credits and free gifts. Just click on it and over here you will find some ways to earn credits and cash. While some of the games and activities might require you to invite your friends, there are some which don't require you to invite your friends at all, like Fishland. Over here you don't have to invite your friends, and this way you can get items from Temu without even inviting friends, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.